These screws have never came out of this mess, I guarantee it, for probably, I don't know, this is the prototype mess. So this is the one that goes on this big board. And that was made, the very first E-foil ever made. Probably back in like 2017, 2016, I bet. Alright, so, up close, this is a very important thing. And this little indentation right here, this circular indentation, there's supposed to be a rubber gasket right there. I took out the original shroud off of this mast. And there's not one there. So, good thing is, O-rings, I should say. So I'm gonna throw that baby on there. You definitely need that O-ring in there. So make sure you guys, when you change these out, make sure you have that in there. Alright, so this jet kit comes with all its own hardware. I recommend you use it. Also too, this one up top here, if the wing is on, the fuselage is in the way. It's not in that way all the way, you have about an inch or so, but it's kind of a pain in the rear to get this end in there. So it's just easiest just to take that wing off there. Make sure you get this one underneath here. Really good. Don't lose the screws. So they're really small and fine. Hard to see. Throw the wing back on. You're good to go.